Yo. They're laughing at us.
They're laughing hardcore. Once my box is over done, we're leaving.
Good girl, good girl. Good girl. Riley, place. Riley found that bird. Riley, place.
Were you proud of her?
Yeah, I wouldn't have found it. Kill that duck, Tucker.
Damn. Donnie, do I fucking suck or what?
Riley! I think you hit him, Tucker, to be honest.
I don't know. I'm about to play in triple B's.
Riley, fetch! Good girl, good girl.
I might try putting in some fixers, dude. Shoot him.
Kill him.
Fuck around, man. Fucking
Riley.
claw him or what? I'm fucking about.
You want to try some of these sixes?
Should I? I got sixes.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Riley, fetch! Fetch! Get him! Get him, Riley! Fetch!
Is he swimming around her?
He's running. Fetch, Riley! Good girl! Good girl!
Got him by the ass.
Good girl! Good girl. Oh, fetch, Riley! Big ol' spoonie! Place. Give. Good girl. Oh, that's a big bill, buddy.
Dude, that's big. I don't know.
Dude, that's a monster bill. I don't know if I'll get it or not.
Nice shot, Don.
Thanks, bro. Kill him. Oh, what a shot. Riley! Oh, look, she'll get him. Get him! Oh, and Mallard. Get him, Riley! Fetch! Where'd he go? Tucker, they're gonna come right over you. Kill him, Tucker. I hit that one. That other one's coming in and kill it. Riley, fetch, fetch. He's way out there.
That was teal, huh?
Good girl, good
You
girl.
having a good day, Donnie, or what? Are you?
I'm always having a good day. Fetch! Any day I'm hunting with you, Tucker, I'm having a good day.
Fucking, I'm not shooting.
Hey, kill it. Oh, them ain't ducks. I don't know what those
Fuck,
things
they're
are.
dead.
That's the things with the big old beaks. I said kill those.
I thought you were saying oh because
Dude, that one was coming back in. Did you see it?
yeah.
That sucker wanted back in. Riley, give. Give. Good girl.
I can't shoot it. Ready?
They coming over?
God,
Oh, you hit that one. I don't know if that's water back there. I'll go see if I can find him. Come on, Riley.
Dude, that thing's
Kill him, Cucker. Riley, fetch.
again?
I don't know. Hey, kill it, kill it. Oh wait, Riley's out there. Fetch,
Dude, it wants
fetch.
in.
Good girl.
Let me see if I can get it in and say.
I need to quit shooting 3 times at every duck.
Come on, Rose.
Riley, place.
Dude, how many cells do you have?
A bunch.
Do you?
Yeah.
Might have to
Riley,
steal
give.
some. I'll give you some out of mine.
Do what? I think that's yours, Tucker.
Yeah, you're just saying that to
No,
make me feel
I
good.
think it is yours. I don't know who hit it, to be honest.
I think I winged it.
Riley! Riley, fetch! Over! Riley! Riley! Hey! Riley! Over! Over! Hey! That way!
I think you're gonna swim too much. Call her off.
Riley! Over that way! Riley, over there! She'll get him. She sees him.
Yeah, it's gonna swim off on
No.
her.
She'll get him. Riley, fetch! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Here. Give. Give. Good girl. Shoot that. Hale just finished mopping up on some ducks. Tucker, did you kill some ducks? You don't want to be on YouTube? Why not?
I mean, I don't care.
Riley, did you kill some ducks?
Riley's a good duck killer.
You're a duck getter, ain't you, huh?
Go kill him too.
There's my ducks. There's my ducks. Alright. We're out of here. We gotta go eat lunch.